Hey, if you want to charge your Samsung Galaxy M34 5G, there's only one method to do this, and for sure it's only the wired method, because when you try to do this with the wireless charger, just take a look, it is actually not working. It is not charging my phone. So I can use the USB-C cable, like this one for example. That's actually cable from my phone, from my Pixel phone, and the charging brick I'm using actually from my old Huawei phone. But also you can plug this cable, the USB-C, into the USB-A port to your PC, console, or for example the mouse hub. The second end, of course, you have to plug right here. And now you will see information that it is actually charging. On the box of your M34 5G, you can also find information about the adapter parameters, and it appears just right here. So it's recommended to use from 10 to 25 watts power USB adapter. And that's it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.